Hello everyone, so today we are going to do a nursing care plan on lower segment cesarean section. So let's start. So today we directly started it from NCP. Okay, so firstly we divide our NCP into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay, first is nursing diagnose, goals, planning, implementation, rational and evaluation. So in the case of the cesarean section, we can first focus on the pain because pain is obvious. So let's see the nursing diagnose. क्या है हमारा nursing diagnose? Acute pain at lower abdomen related to tenderness of surgical incisions as evidenced by facial expressions, verbalization and pain scale. Okay, so first of all हमारे patient को क्या हो रहा है? Pain, right? Why? Related to the surgical incision. Because of the surgical incision the patient is suffering from pain, right? Then evidence by the facial expressions and verbalization and pain scale of the patient. So let's move toward the goals. Here in the acute pain, what's our goal? Our goal is to relieve the pain and to decrease the factors of the pain. Okay, so what we have to do and what we have to plan to relieve or to decrease the pain of the patient. Okay, so let's start planning about all that. First of all, what we have to do, we have to assess the level of the pain, then provide the comfortable position to the patient, then we able to use the splint during the cuffing. Okay, we have to advise the patient to use the splints during cuffing and you have to provide the comfortable position to the patient. Okay, and a peaceful environment. Then plan to divert the mind of the client. Okay, and you have to take care about the likes and dislikes of the patient. It helps to relieve the pain. Okay, then plan to administer the analgesics. Okay, we have to give the painkillers to decrease the pain of the patient. Then implementation, all that implementation which we plan we have to do. Then after doing the implementation, rational must be there. Then rational means why we did that planning, why we do implementation. So here for example we assess the level of the pain. So here is why we assess the level of pain, that we write it into the rational, that it helps to provide the baseline data for further planning. That's why we write down all the rationals. Okay, so after making all that NCP we evaluate. Okay, what we evaluate? We evaluate that pain will be relieved to some extent. So it's all about our NCP. And here I have this second. So impaired skin integrity, okay, related to edema, infection and incisional part at evidenced by redness, tenderness and skin broken down. So patient having a impaired skin integrity. Okay, so so one more thing you have to remember, that we have to must make the NCP according to the priority wise. So first priority of the lower cesarean section patient is pain. After that we have to assess the skin of the patient. If there is a skin impaired skin integrity, then we have to make it on that. Okay, so goal obviously to improve the skin integrity. We then plan about giving to assess the skin, to change the dressings, to give the adequate amount of protein, vitamins, to provide the education regarding the personal care, and plan to administer the antibiotics and everything. So ये priority wise हम जो है NCP बनाएंगे यहाँ पे. Then third is the risk for fever related to the surgical procedure. So because of the surgery, during surgery, so patient having a risk of infection, and because of infection the patient having a risk of fever. So patient को risk होता है fever का. ओके, सो उसके लिए हम क्या प्लानिंग्स कर सकते हैं? प्लानिंग क्या करेंगे हम? टू मेंटेन द नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर वी हैव टू मेंटेन. So to maintain the normal body temperature we have to plan the certain steps, certain things. Okay, so for maintaining the normal body temperature, we have to assess the body temperature time to time regularly, okay, and to provide the clean environment, to plan to educate the patient, and to plan to provide the adequate rich diet, protein rich diet. All that steps is considered. Okay, so some NCPs are there which we able to use in many other disease. Like there is a risk of fever is to every patient, not even in only cesarean section. Okay, अगर आप कोई भी डिजीज पर NCP बना रहे हो, you able to write it out. Okay, so हर एक सर्जरी वाले पेशेंट को क्या होता है कि फीवर का रिस्क रहता है, और हम नॉलेज भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एंजाइटी वाला भी जो हमारा NCP है वो इच एंड एवरी मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली आ ही जाता है हर एक डिजीज़ के अंडर. सो वो NCPs हम जो है हर एक में ले सकते हैं. बट अगर आप प्रायोरिटी वाइज जो है लेते हो, ओके, और थोड़ा डिफरेंट NCPs लेते हैं, दैट इज़ गुड फॉर यू. सो हियर इज़ द इम्बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन लेस देन बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पे क्या जज किया है कि न्यूट्रिशन लेवल जो पेशेंट की बॉडी का है वो लेस है, लेस देन रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, जितना उसे चाहिए उससे कम है. रिलेटेड टू हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर. सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर के कारण क्या है उसका कि इम्बैलेंस हो गया उसके न्यूट्रिशन लेवल का, एंड changes after child birth as evidenced by the anorexia, vomiting and weight. So यहाँ हमने बनाया इम्बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन पे डायग्नोज उसका है. So what we have to do, we have to maintain the balanced nutritional status of the patient. Balanced nutritional status के लिए क्या क्या प्लानिंग्स पॉसिबल हैं, सोचो. सोचना क्या है मैं बताती हूँ. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे कि न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस जो है उसका प्रॉपर चार्ट बनाएंगे. इनपुट आउटपुट चार्ट रेगुलरली उसको असेस करेंगे. इनपुट आउटपुट में क्या होगा कि कितना फ्लूइड जो है वो पेशेंट ले रहा है, ओके, और वो कितना जो है यूरिन पास कर रहा है, वो सारा हम उसका चेक करेंगे. उससे हमें क्या पता चलेगा कि उसका फ्लूइड लेवल बॉडी में कितना है, ओके, रेगुलरली उसका जो बैलेंस है न्यूट्रिशनल लेवल का बैलेंस वो कितना है. ओके, सो प्लान टू गिव द मील फ्रीक्वेंटली. ओके, क्या करेंगे हम उसको परफॉर्म सम सिंपल फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़. ज़्यादा हमें हार्ड वर्क नहीं देना अगर उसको प्रॉपर जो है न्यूट्रिशन बॉडी में नहीं है. सो ऐसे ही हम प्लानिंग्स करेंगे. उसको कुछ मेडिकेशंस भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, प्रॉपर डाइट प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. Then all that implementation and rationals, why we are doing all that, we have to write it into the rational column, then evaluate. So it's all about today. Hope you like my videos, hope my videos helpful for you.